इच्छा जी का चले से क्षेत्र दिन का जर पने.
So on 4th of February, we received a complaint from one Mr. Imran Khan, who is a resident of Golden Heights, stating that his house was burgled in the late night hours of Sunday. So immediately the crime team and the law and order team, along with the inspectors, they visited the scene of offence, and they have taken all the whatever the clues are available, and we have called the clues team and dog squad also. So in the process of investigation, we could able to zero down to the old MO criminals who will do this kind of offences, and we started picking up each offender and started verifying. And in the process, this Mr. Jahir, who is an ex-offender, who is sent to jail from this police station in the month of June. So he has voluntarily confessed, and he has given us the recovery also. Though the property lost is 50 tulas gold in the complaint, but intact we could able to recover 61 tulas. So the same property is being deposited in the court, and it will be handing over to the complainant. And in the meantime, the offender is going to be sent to the judiciary.